I'm Toby and this is Sea Life. Just sharing the stunning flower bush.
And here is the birthday girl. Say hi, Uleeda.
Hi, how are you?
We're playing spades. We all forgot how to play spades, but hey, we're doing it anyway.
That's right.
We forgot.
Okay, Leda's gonna be dealing. Then Jacob's gonna bid first. Then I bid second. Then Daniel's gonna bid third. And we're gonna see how many tricks we can take. And so far we hadn't been doing too good. So we'll see. Okay, between Leda and me, we bid 4. See what I got here?
Yeah,
Well, we bid 4. Anyway, I don't think I can take but 2.
I bid anything lower than 4.
4. 4 it is. 4 it is. 4 it is. Okay.
How
Okay
old do you
then.
have to be to play? 4.
Yeah. Queen of Diamonds let out. Yeah, let's see what we got. We got
What you
low
got,
cards on
girl?
there. Let me
What
see
you
what
got?
I
It's
got.
your turn there, my sweets.
The Queen of Diamonds. I can't do nothing too much more. Let's
We'll throw a
see.
diamond out there.
Yeah.
Queen, take it.
Diamond. I'm gonna go low. That way I can save some. Good guys. The ladies took the cards tonight.
Just 'cause they don't know
Happy
how to
birthday
bid.
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leda. Happy birthday to you.
I'm ready for going out the door on channel 4.
Okay,
Really,
that's the end of that card game. And what was the score, hon?
Really?
Really?
You want me to tell you what the score is? On camera.
On camera, I want to know the score.
Yeah, really. We want to know.
Let me tell you what. Okay.
Yeah,
394
That's us.
and 33.
394 to 33.
But that's because I kept cheating and overbid or underbidding.